Monsoons may be unpredictable, but your car's protection doesn't have to be. Welcome to Factful Fridays. Today, let's uncover how Maruti Suzuki's customer convenience package quietly protects you from unexpected and expensive engine repairs. During heavy rains, water entry into engine can lead to serious damage. The phenomenon is called Hydrostatic Lock. The engine repair is costly and are not covered under vehicle warranty. But with Maruti Suzuki's customer convenience package, you stay protected. The package covers expensive engine repairs caused by water entry, poor fuel quality, and even rodent damage. The customer convenience package is available from day one, protecting you from unexpected repair costs for up to 3 years. What's more, this protection can be extended up to 10 years through the service-activated customer convenience package. Available from the 30,000 kilometer periodic service onwards, it protects your vehicle for 12 months or 12,000 kilometers and can be renewed at every periodic service up to 10 years. And the best part, this protection starts at an attractive price of just 300 rupees. Visit your nearest Maruti Suzuki authorized workshop to avail the service-activated customer convenience package and enjoy worry-free driving this monsoon. What car care tip do you want next? Comment below. Stay tuned, stay informed.